Hey, what's up, YouTube? Here I am yet again with another box opening. Should be the package I was waiting for. Most of you guys know I had already gotten a EVGA 660 GTX, and I also got a CX 500 watt power supply in the case so far. That's what you guys know so far. So, also I was expecting more mail, as I said before in the last videos. Let's see. Sorry about the last video, by the way. Got to cut it out. Put it on the floor. Then edit that. Let's see here. This looks to be my EVGA 500 watt. Last time, I remember telling you guys that I was going to get the 500 watt EVGA power supply. No one gave me any comments. No one gave me any type of replies as to that. Maybe not too many people saw the video as well. I had to stay up for a long time in order to get those comments that I would have wanted. But I went with the EVGA 500 watts anyways. This is the EVGA part. Also, it goes with my EVGA computer. So since I'm building an EVGA computer, I thought I might go with all EVGA products. Besides, this one is a lot better than the CX 500 watt. As far as power distribution, even though they're the same voltage. This is a great power supply, and I think that my computer is going to be really awesome when it's done. But for the time being, like I said, there's still more packaging on the way. I have my EVGA 500 watt power supply here, and it just came in the mail. Like I said, I got more stuff on the way, so stay tuned, YouTube. This has been another Kindred 7 video. Take care.